get the jumping. When the track get the pumping, if they mess up your country. At the MC hammer, film this on your camera. From London to Alabama. Hey, my man they want like coupe. Man they do like coupe. Man they do like coupe. Man they fall like coupe. To your ex-girlfriend, coupe.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are a new person to this channel and you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit the red subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will know each time I upload a video. I try to upload at least once a week, so you don't want to miss out. So let's get into this video today, you guys. A unit that I created using hair from DSoar Hair. Alright, so it came in this really cute packaging, you guys, and on the back it has the hair wash and hair care instructions. Alright, so I got 3 bundles, 18, 20, and 22 inches, and I only used 2 bundles, you guys, to make my unit. Okay, so this is the unit. I got it in a natural black. Okay, I didn't use the closure from DSoar Hair. Instead, I used a closure that I got from the beauty supply store, and it's a Remy closure. So this is a full lace closure, okay, and this is in, I believe it's in 12 inches. So this was quite expensive. It was $75. Okay, and the hair from DSoar Hair, like I said, I got 3 bundles, and that came up to like, I think $100 to be exact. It came up to $103.65. Okay, so I got 3 Malaysian Straight virgin hair bundles, natural black, and like I said, I got 18, 20, and 22. This is one of the bundles I did not get a chance to use. Alright, and this is the 18 inch. So this is the hair. The hair was extremely soft, you guys. Very minimal shedding. And I used the 3 bundles, well actually really 2 bundles, to make a unit. This is the unit. And I'm going to try to play with it, customize it, make it work for me today on camera so you guys can see. So this is just freshly made. I used a mesh dome cap that I got from the beauty supply store. And yeah, let me show you the inside construction. I have not cut off my lace, you guys, from the closure. I think it's really, really full just for 2 bundles. Look at that. Look how it flows. Look how it flows. I love it. Okay, it does shed a little bit. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the inside of this right here so the lace can be seen through. Be sure not to cut where you have sewn in the tracks, okay? Oh, well, I just did that. I just cut it. Okay. I have to be completely honest with you guys. I had a lot of challenges creating this unit. I hadn't created a unit in a while, so I had some challenges. Okay, I just had some real challenges. So here it is. All right. So now I'm going to plop it on my head, and I'm going to show you how it looks on my head. Okay. So I'll be right back. I'm going to try to manipulate it somehow. I don't know how exactly, but I'm going to try to manipulate it. But before I do that, let me get my comb. how far back it goes. And I like the fact that the part isn't like so straight, because a lot of people's parts aren't like really straight, if you know what I mean. So it makes it sorry, it makes it look more natural.
Looking at these pictures, I don't see no threat. If you ain't tucking checks, then your knees to step. Whoa, hard to the paint, what's good? Made him kiss a wing like a Tim Westwood. Hear me now, can't come here, chat to me now. Some men I got shit, it's got we out my streets. In a dance with your alcoholics, chronic and tonic. Put the 10 there, sit down, pun it, We out my streets. In a dance with your alcoholics, chronic and tonic. Put the 10 there, sit down.
I'll be right back.
You're looking at the dot. I'm getting fast by where you come from. Squad roll deep with dot run. Squad roll deep with dot run. Look me now, can't come here, chat seminar. Lyrically can't rhyme for me now. Winning, I'm doubling up. Yeah, you know I say we do it. Yeah, we do it. We are guillotine it. Shout back to my squad. What? We gon' pay a visit. Love for the homies who love me too. And I don't give a fuck about the rest of you. Fuck your feelings and your point of view. You know it's a chick thing when we rendezvous. Cause we out by reeds. In a dance with your alcoholics, chronic and tonic. Put the 10 there, sit down, pun it. We out by reeds. In a dance with your alcoholics, chronic and tonic. Put the 10 there, sit down, pun it. I mean, I care. Anybody, anywhere, me no fear. Me bad for me born. Can't chat to your mom. I me no care. Anybody, anywhere, me no fear. Me bad for me born. Can't chat to your mom. Chat to your mom. Chat to your mama. Chat to somebody who gives a damn. Chat to somebody who understands. Chat to your mom. Chat to your mama.